instead of styling video, this is like a unstyling video. Get unstyled with me video.
Wow. Crazy. You're crazy, girl.
So I've had this style in my head for 2 weeks. And I think it's just the front cornrows giving it away that the style needs to be redone. I think I could have get away with keeping it for another week.
Yeah, but then that's another whole week without a video. And clearly it's been too long since I last filmed because I did this entire video without actually doing my intro. So, hey beauties, it's Viviana, and today... I know, it's not the same.
Best believe I do know what this hairstyle like. Only don't have to watch another tutorial on it, but I'm doing it again. Anyways, let's unstyle this hairstyle. Alright, so let's start by sectioning the first row. I want to make sure that I am seeing my cornrow, my own hair clearly. Oh my god, look at the growth. Look at that. Yeah. See how loose it is now? Just making sure I isolate the hair, the braiding hair. So this is the cornrow, so we're not going close to that. And this is the fake hair. So just make sure the hair is isolated. And then cut. I still stay at like a ½ inch away from the cornrow, just in case. And then it should just be very easy to pull the hair out from my hair. Oh, see? Easy but easy. Another thing a lot of you guys were asking me from the tutorial video was, how would I take care of the hair? As in, how would I take care of my hair underneath these braids? And also, well, yeah, how I would take care of the hair. So how I would clean my scalp and how would I moisturize my own hair. That was easy. Whenever my hair felt itchy, all I did was to rub this ORS Herbal Cleanse Dry Shampoo, and this product took away the itch immediately. So all I did was to just part my hair and just, you know, squeeze the gel onto my scalp, especially on areas where it itched. And I would just massage it in with my other hand, just like this. Yeah, it was pretty easy. Pretty easy. And then, like every other night, I would moisturize my hair with this AFRO Curly Moisture Rich Leave-In Conditioner. So I would just, again, separate the afro and then just spray, because it's a spray. And then I would just like spray this onto my hair. And I only needed to do this like every other night or like every third night, because the afro hair was shielding my own hair from the outside world. My own hair tends to hold on to moisture for a long time, longer than usual. I realized like the day after, when I touched my hair, it was still damp. So it never makes sense re-moisturize it. Yeah. Next, I'm going to carefully remove these threads. Alright, make sure it's properly isolated. See there, and then cut. And I probably just cut about like 3 other points. Yeah, I don't remember where the start or the ending of these threads were, but I figure once I cut like 3 different spots, it's gonna be easy to remove. Yay! Alright, and this now should be the easy part. Just gonna pull out the corner and braids. Gently, of course. You know what? While I'm pulling out my hair, I'm going to add my deep conditioner as I go along. Yeah, because I'm going to be shampooing and restyling my hair after this, so it makes sense to just add my deep conditioner as we go along. And if you're new to my channel, firstly, you should consider subscribing. Other than that, if you're new to my channel, I like to deep condition my hair first, then shampoo and apply my leave-in conditioner. That's just my typical, regular wash day routine. It makes sense to just neat at the same time too. Why not? It's already in small sections. Yay! And that's done. So I'm just gonna leave my hair like this for the next couple of hours. Then I'm gonna go exercise, allow my body heat to steam my hair, and when I'm back, I'm going to shampoo and condition my hair. I ain't filming that today. But if you haven't seen how I shampoo and condition my hair and you want to see that, I'll be sure to leave that video up in the iCards. If you haven't decided from this one video to subscribe, maybe watching those other videos in the iCards will sway your decision and you then decide to subscribe. Anyway, beauties, I hope you all enjoyed this video and give me a thumbs up if you did. If you learned a little something or if you smiled a little bit, yeah, leave me a thumbs up. Okay, beauties, thanks again for watching. Later! Mwah. I started out this video with a hairstyle and I'm ending this video without a hairstyle. We unstyled.